Alright. What the hell is that? What's underneath the couch? Did you put Bentley underneath the couch?
No. What do you mean?
That!
What the heck is that?
Bentley? It's definitely the cat.
What a weirdo.
How did she get underneath the blanket? What are you doing? What are you doing under there? How'd you get under there, silly? He's
Likes
so
to hide
silly.
in dark places.
Here, you want to get cover back up? Cover up.
What a fruitcake.
Oh, you're a good girl. You freaking weirdo. You're so weird, Bentley. You're so weird. What a weird cat.